What's going on, guys?
Look who decided to show up.
I just arrived in Stockholm for the weekend in order to experience some cultural values and traditions. We're gonna get fucked up. Oh my god.
The Airbnb, they sort of famoosed me. They said the second bedroom was an amazing bedroom.
Ooh.
Just wait till you see it.
The second bedroom is fucked up.
No, it's great.
Is this you or me?
That's me.
Smells like sin in here, huh?
No sin has gone down here.
The walk-in closet, the zinc tablets.
Yeah, we're good.
Might as well take one of these right now, huh? Some fish oil. That's good stuff. That's good.
Yeah.
That's real good.
Second bedroom?
Where is it? Oh, this one's mine.
I was looking for a while, like, where's the second bedroom? Quite famoosed. But the entertainment system, amazing.
Oh.
And my thought is, if someone comes in and tries to attack, you have the high ground.
Yeah.
You can easily take down any. Ryan went his ways in Indonesia. I stayed here in Stockholm, Sweden, one of the greatest cities in the world. I just got this letter in the mail. Notification of the initiation of a sanctioned procedure from the country of Spain. Apparently I've been banned from Spain. Will not be going back. I have a severe speeding ticket. 92 kilometers an hour, exceeding the 50-kilometer speed limit.
That doesn't sound like you.
Couldn't have been me. Not a chance. I will not be going back to Spain. We're filming a documentary. Just an FYI, I know how to say documentary. Documentary. It's an inside joke. Ryan came up with it in San Luis Obispo. Ryan, cue the video.
Haley, what's going on? Haley, it's a documentary. It's a documentary. What happened?
Let me tell you. I'll tell him. There was like 5 days and 5 nights.
Just pretend to drink it. Just pretend to drink out of it.
Wow, it's raining, but the fits are on. Give me a fit check. Honor of Spain. I'll never get to go to Spain again. Fuck Spain, right? Fuck Spain. Fucking hate that place.
We're actually making a documentary about Ryan getting over his pee shy problem.
Okay, I can tell you. He's not getting over the pee shyness. The pee shyness. I peed. I wiped my vagina. He was like, I
And then it
can't
was Ryan's
pee.
turn to bat.
He was like, I was like, are you going to pee? He was like, no, I can't. I was like, okay. Don't you have to pee? He was like, yes, I have to pee. I was like, just pee. And he said, I can't.
What steps do you think he could take to overcome his issue?
We talk about it.
Talk about it? Yeah, maybe
Talk
some
about
therapy?
his issues. Yes, he needs therapy.
He's so weak, he couldn't pee.
No.
Hashtag
No,
yes.
it's a weakness.
Yeah, exactly. So he's weak.
He needs therapy. So he's weak. He needs therapy.
I've been trying to figure it out.
therapy and a week.
No, no.
This guy's a fucking magician! Look at them, they look so cool.
What the guy say?
Intro, give him an intro! Hey guys, we're gonna be singing Halo. Yeah, Jazz. Louder! God damn it! You gotta sing a lot fucking louder. You sing. So pull me to the ground again. Feels like I've been waiting. Every rule
All night long, everyone you meet, they jumping on the street all night long. Yeah, feel good, feel good.
Kamala Harris! Kamala Harris! What do you think of Biden?
Biden doesn't even know what to have a breakfast.
Fuck him! We were just trying to find the two most beautiful girls in Sweden to interview, so we found you guys. I'm here with my two girlfriends.
Whoa. Hello.
Your name?
Ella.
Ella
Amanda.
and Amanda. All right, Ella and Amanda, what are you guys' plans for the night?
Oh, we don't really have a plan.
You just wandering?
Yeah, you want to join?
Oh, I'd love to.
Yeah.
We're the two most beautiful girls. All right. Well, now what I want to know, what's the craziest thing that's happened this summer? You look like you have something you're not trying to say.
No, I don't know.
The mic is staying right here.
No. I know.
All
I
right.
have no idea.
No idea?
No.
All right, maybe the last week. Any good stories from the last week?
No.
All right. Well, we'll move on to the next topic. The next topic, what do you guys think about Swedish men?
Swedish man.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, they're tall. That's the only good thing.
That's the only good thing.
Yeah.
You agree with that?
No, many great.
Men are great. Which is your favorite type of man?
Tall.
Tall.
And kind.
Tall and kind.
Yeah.
What about you?
Bra ordning. Same.
Same.
Funny.
Funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
Would I fit that role potentially?
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll find out later, I guess.
Yeah.
I think that's it for the documentary. We'll wrap it up there. Unless you guys got any other crazy experiences you could tell us about.
No.
Oh, laughing.
We work up there. You see the roundhouse?
The roundhouse?
Yeah, the white.
Yeah.
We work there
Oh wow.
for Stockholmsgruppen as models.
As models.
Yeah, over there.
I knew it.
Yeah.
I knew it.
Yeah.
Do you think I could get a role there?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think I'd fit?
Yeah.
I'd fit in. Maybe we could get some photo shoots together.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Okay, we'll do it. All right.
Together.
Yeah.
Another one.